Hi, in this video I'm going to show you how you can change all the filters on your Dyson fan, so the HEPA and the carbon filters. First thing we're going to do is turn the fan off and we're going to unplug it, like so. The filters live in this section here, so make sure that this is in the upright position because it makes it easy to take these off here. And we're going to press down on this and we're going to press down on this here. This is going to release the outer filters. You might need to do it again. And you can see that the HEPA filters live here and here, and this is the carbon filters here. So with the carbon filters, they are more fiddly to remove, but we need to get our finger in here and also in here, and they'll come out like so. These are coming out easy because I've already done this. Yours might be stuck into place. You have two tabs here and two tabs here. They feed into two little holes here and here above this triangle. Likewise on this side here. If you're finding that they are getting stuck, if you put a little bit of pressure on this side over here while doing it, it helps spread out like so, and it helps these come out of the holes. So do the same here. A little bit of pressure and out. So these are your two carbon filters. I'm not going to swap them out. I'm doing this purely for the video. When you put them back in, they can go front or back or upside down. It doesn't make a difference. They're going to fit everywhere. So let's pop this one back on here. So when you put your new ones in, pretend these are your new ones, you're going to clip them into place like so. And clip these ones into place like so. With these ones here, these are your HEPA ones, and you need to press the button here and these will be getting released like that. And like that. And then when you get your new filters, you're going to be lining them up and putting them back in. We have these bits here. If you line these bits up with these bits, you will find it will go in quite nicely. So I'm just going to line them up like that. There, and do the same on the top. There, and they should just clip back into place. You can also put your filter like this, and you can put this down on top if you find it easier. Just get it all lined up. There and there, and there and there. And that will fit back into place. And again, with these, front or back or reversible, makes no difference. And they're just going to clip in like so. And so, and you can see that they're all nice there, and also nice here as well. Right. Now we need to let the machine know that the filters have been replaced. So we're going to plug it back in, and we have to hold down a couple of buttons individually to let the machine know that the filters have been renewed. So plug it back in and we're going to turn it on. Now to let the machine know that the HEPA filter has been replaced, we're going to hold down this night mode button here, and a counter will come up on screen. You need to keep holding it until that counter gets to 0. So hold down the night button. This is resetting the purple filter, the HEPA filter. That's it, that's now been reset. You can let go. And now to do the carbon filter, the green filter on the inside, we need to hold down the oscillation button, this one here. So hold that button down, keep holding it for 5 seconds until the tick comes up. Now you can let go. And that is it, both filters have been reset. If you wanted to check that, you can always go to your I button here. Keep scrolling through until you get to your filters. And you will see that both of them, both the HEPA purple and the carbon green, are both completely empty. So this is what they look like when they're new, and they'll start working their way up and up and up and up and up, and then you can see you're 50% full, 75% full, etc. You can also check this in the app as well. Don't do what you've seen in the video here. Make sure you do replace the filters. We did this purely for the video. If you don't replace the filters and just reset it, then you're not getting the most out of your machine because the filters are already dirty, and then you're breathing in that dirty air. Hope this video has helped you out. Thanks for watching.